In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new website in Odoo. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can follow along inside your own Odoo dashboard without getting overwhelmed. If you manage multiple brands, companies, or online stores, creating a separate website in Odoo is a useful way to keep everything organized while still working from the same system. To begin, go to the Website app. Once you're inside, look toward the top left area of the toolbar and click on Configuration. This section is where Odoo keeps the main settings related to your website setup, so if you ever need to manage site options, this is a good place to remember. After that, click on Websites. This will open the list of websites currently available in your Odoo database. If you already have one or more sites created, you'll see them here. This page gives you a quick overview and is where you can manage multiple websites in one place. Now, to create a new website, click New. This opens the setup form for adding another site. At this stage, you'll be entering the key details that define how the website will appear and how it will be connected inside your system. Start by giving the website a name. Choose something clear and recognizable, especially if you plan to manage more than one site. Then add the domain. This is the web address that will be associated with the website, so make sure it matches the site you want visitors to reach. Next, upload or select a logo. This helps visually identify the website and keeps your branding consistent. You'll also want to choose the correct company if your Odoo environment includes more than one company. That setting is important because it connects the website to the right business entity for operations and management. You can also select the languages you want the website to support. This is especially helpful if your visitors speak different languages or if you're building a site for an international audience. Take a moment here to review the available fields and complete any other relevant options shown in your setup form. Once everything looks good, click Save. And that's it. Your new website has been created. From here, you can continue customizing the design, pages, and content later, but the initial setup is now complete. This is the basic process for adding a new website in Odoo, and once you do it once, it becomes very quick to repeat.